I'm really excited to work with the football club, being someone that lived in Portsmouth their entire life and now working behind the scenes is a really cool opportunity.
It sunk in, I think, after about 2.5 weeks. It finally went, oh, I'm actually doing this, and now it's just optimism. The scholarship to me means everything. It opens so many doors for me.
Well, look, it's an absolutely fantastic partnership with two great institutions in the city.
We've now got 2 scholarships here that we're launching today, which will see people come and work with our women's team and come and work with our IT side.
For me, the most exciting part is actually working with the club, being able to build my own personal knowledge base, decide what my areas of interest are, and then also possibly building out a dissertation project. For me, it's just such a great opportunity.
We targeted these scholarships at people who live locally, who mean something to Portsmouth.
I'm really hoping that it will enable me to have kind of less financial pressure and I'll actually be able to purchase the equipment for my course.
The scholarship's going to help me narrow down the areas I'm most interested in, look at applying those to the club and then hopefully tying both club and my education into one.
I'm hoping that it's going to give me work experience that I can tell future employers about.
But of course, it's not just the scholars.
We actually have over 200 students working here every match day.
From media, marketing, to management, to the finances of running a club.
Sports science, medicine, analysis, academy coaching, it's right across the board.
We really believe in this city and we really believe in the people of this city. And I think by associating with the club, I think it helps to let people know that university is accessible.
It's genuinely really nice to get in and get stuck in. The support I was hoping to receive has been doubled, tripled, tenfold over, and that's really, really nice to feel.
Our relationship really is important. It's one that has endured for many years, it will continue for many years to come. So a really special connection and something which means more than just having a brand on the shirt. It's living, it's real, and a dynamic partnership.